Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint easy drawing of festival on oil pastel. Now I draw a peacock very easily. At first I make S, alphabet S. We make the shape of drop of water. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. And W for legs. Now our peacock is ready for flying. Let's start. Prussian blue. At first I make the border line, then I fill the color. Deep yellow, orange, primary red, dark violet, light green, brown, deep green, brown, I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.